Here's another video for you guys, for Americans and the entire world to see what kind of Hitler copycat criminals we have going on in the judicial system in the Hillary Clinton A team. Jacob Levitan was also on Hillary Clinton's A team. Well, let me show you something here. I've filed in 7 times for justice to save my daughter, which is now grand treason to kidnapping. Now you know why the United Nations provided me the documents for a world court case. Now, here he says that the lower court's opinion must be appended. However, the lower courts in Colorado refuse to even address the matter. Refuse. I have all the proof. I know, people can't believe this, that the courts would sedition the law this much unless you've been a victim. I've been getting a lot of calls from people who Jacob Levitan in the United States Supreme Court has denied them their right to filing, to being heard, for a judge to review what is going into the courts. Now I want you to look closely at this document, this legal document being perjured of the United States Supreme Courts. Jacob Levitan is signing for Scott Harris, who's a clerk. Says sincerely Scott Harris. So either Jacob Levitan is writing this letter and doing identity theft, putting government document fraud on legal documents. And so Jacob Levitan cannot write for this clerk. It's illegal. Unless the signing for that person would have to be incapacitated by the law, and Scott Harris would have to sign, and then it would say written and signed, written by Jacob Levitan. But Scott would still have to sign it. And that's the laws for somebody else signing a letter for you. Otherwise, it's perjury, it's government document fraud. And so I'm pretty dang sure that Scott Levitan is doing some serious levy for war crimes. This is the stuff that Hitler did in taking children, taking homes, robbing bank accounts, and they used the courts to try to fake the front. Same exact crimes. And a lot of people are calling me, telling me that they're going through the same injustice and that Jake Levitan is depriving every right of their writ of certiorari's, their motions, their filings. And Jake Levitan has no legal jurisdiction to do this. He's not a judge. He has no legal jurisdiction to write letters for anybody else. It's a crime. It's a levy for war. It's a crime against America. Not only us.